I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a burrito pillowcase. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 different fabrics, thread, scissors, and a sewing machine. Cut your main fabric to 5 inches by 42 inches. Then cut 2 cuff pieces, one 5 inches by 42 inches and another 5 inches by 42 inches. These precise measurements ensure a perfect fit for a standard pillow. Next, let's prepare the cuff pieces. Take each cuff and fold one long edge over by 1/4 inch, pressing it firmly. Then, fold it over again by another 1/4 inch, creating a neat double hem. Stitch along this folded edge on both cuff pieces. This step gives your pillowcase a clean, finished look and prevents fraying. Now, it's time to assemble your layers. Lay your main fabric piece right side up on your work surface, ensuring the 42-inch side is horizontal. Take your larger cuff piece and place it right side up on one of the short ends of the main fabric, aligning the raw edges. Repeat this with the smaller cuff piece on the opposite short end. This careful layering is crucial for the burrito method. Finally, for the burrito part, roll the main fabric tightly towards the center from both short ends. Bring the cuff pieces over the rolled fabric, aligning their raw edges. Pin and sew along this aligned edge with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pull the rolled fabric out through the opening, then fold the entire piece in half, right sides together, and sew the long side and one short end. Turn it right side out and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.